ourselves a flexible solar panel that we're going to try out, made by MHPOWOS, a company from China. So we're going to see just how well this thing performs. We're very likely going to put it on this here Toro Workman. So what we do here at Solarrolla is we solar power vehicles. So we're going to solar power a bunch of smaller vehicles as well with these flexible panels before we go on to our VW buses, our E-Stars, and even some of our military grade equipment. So let's take a quick look at this MHPOWOS panel and see what it looks like. All right, well, it's packaged really nicely, which is important. This stuff does come from a ways away. So some nice thick foam, especially on a panel, is pretty important. You always want to look everything over and make sure nothing's damaged. Looks pretty good. It's like a tiny little scratch in the middle, but this one also has some pretty nice mounts here. Look at the back here and you can see the information. It is a 200-watt panel. Looks like an open circuit voltage of 38, maximum power at about 30 volts. And they're calling for a maximum system voltage of 120. So that means you're not going to want to put, say, more than 3 of these. Probably 3 would be pushing it. 2 of these in series to keep under that voltage. So yeah, pretty stoked. Looks like they gave us even some nice little straps if you wanted to strap it down. These straps are obviously made to go in these slots here and strap it down. So just want to thank MHPOWOS for sending us this panel, and we will put it on the cart and see how it works. Hey there, Brett with Solarrolla, and we have an MHPOWOS panel on top of this thin film flexible panel, perfect for this vehicle. We just checked it on the BMS. It shows it's charging 150 watts, actually 144. It's exactly what we would expect out of a panel like this under direct sun. So putting out its rated power, pretty stoked about that, and keeping this cart full.
If you're new to our channel, check out our other solar electric build videos and adventures. Subscribe on YouTube, follow us on all social media platforms, and join our Patreon community.